everyone. I am Aishwarya Saxena, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy learning app where you can find my other courses as well. In this lesson, we will discuss one word substitution, which means we'll see that how a single word can replace a complete sentence. So don't forget to like this video and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. So, as I have mentioned in my introductory video, in this lesson we will discuss one word substitution, which means we will see that how a single word can substitute or replace a complete sentence. And it happens because both of them have similar meaning. Here you can see that the name of this lesson is one word for many. This means we will see that how we can use one word for many words. One more important thing is, whenever you are appearing for some competitive exam wherein you have English as a subject, or even if you are going for the placement recruitment process, there also the aptitude have English also as a subject. So in all these examinations, such kind of questions are always there. So please follow these lessons daily. Let us start. First is a place where animals are butchered. This means a place where animals are cut down and sold, like chickens, goats, etc. So that place is known as a abattoir. Next, a place that is used to keep bees or to collect beehives. Now, why do people keep bees or collect beehives? In order to get honey out of that. So, a place where they keep bees or collect beehives is known as apiary. Next, a place where alive fishes of different or similar species are kept is known as aquarium. I think most of you would be knowing about it, that aquarium is a place where fishes that are alive swim, and they could be of different species or could be of same species. Next is a spot or venue where some activity or debate takes place. So that place where any activity or debate takes place is known as arena. Debate is a competition or an activity wherein two parties are in favor or in against a single point and they are trying to prove their points by giving statements in favor or against that topic. Next is a collection of weapons and military equipments is known as arsenal. Weapons means tools that are used during wars or fights. And military equipment. So equipments are also tools that are used in military and therefore they are military tools. Next, a place that is used to treat and take care of patients who are mentally unfit. So a place where patients are kept in order to treat them and take care of them, and those patients are mentally unfit or mentally ill. So that place is known as asylum. See, I am explaining each and every statement. Why? Because sometimes the language of question may change. So please don't get confused with these things. You should be able to judge that the meaning of that particular statement which would be given in your question paper and any of these is same. So don't get confused with words. That is why I am explaining each and every statement. And whenever you will face any such exam wherein you will be supposed to attempt such kind of questions, then you will be provided with a sentence and you have to write one word for that. But sometimes these things also happen that you will be supposed to write the meaning of word, and therein you may get any of these words that I am explaining here. So you should be good at both the sides. Let's continue. Next is a tunnel-like hole dug by any small animal like rabbit. So a tunnel is a path, a closed path through which someone can pass. So a tunnel-like hole that is dug by any small animal like rabbit or mouse is known as burrow. Next, a place where things are stored in order to hide them. So that is known as cache. Cache is basically a storage area. Okay. Commonly, if we can take the example of a storeroom, then storeroom could be used to keep any kind of material which you want to hide from somebody or which you can access easily. So that is also known as cache. And one common example of this is whenever you are using the browser of your phone, you can try to find out an option clear cookies and clear cache. So there also cache is a type of memory that is used to store things that you access more and more. Okay, so it is always used to refer to some storage area. Next is a place where gambling games are played. So gambling games mean cards or anything like that. So that place is known as casino. Next, a place or room in a building where clothes or luggage is kept is known as cloakroom. Next is a place where a body of a person is cremated after his death. So when the person passes away, his body is cremated in crematorium. Now last is a stoppered glass container that is used to decant. So this means a glass container which has a stopper at its top and it is used to pour something, maybe wine or any liquid. So that is known as decanter. Well, this is all for this particular lesson, and all the examples that I have mentioned in this lesson have been there in one or the other competitive exam like SSC, railway, bank, okay, any other. So please take these lessons seriously and go through them thoroughly because they are very useful. I hope I was clear with the topic. Still, if you have any doubts or queries, please drop reviews. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching.